5C. Amanda pours 3/4 of her water into Barbara's empty bottle. Barbara then pours 3/5 of her water into Charlie's empty bottle. Charlie then pours 1/2 of his water into David's empty bottle. If David now has 18 ounces of water, how many ounces does Amanda still have? There are two different methods to solve this problem. And let's first look at the first one. So over here, I have a chart with all the names on top. So ABCD stands for Amanda, Barbara, Charlie, and David. So we know that David now has 18 ounces. And that is 1/2 of Charlie's. So 18 is 1/2 of Charlie. So then what would Charlie's be? Charlie would then have 36 ounces before he gave any to David. And then we also know that Charlie was given 3/5 of her water from Charlie was given 3/5 of Barbara's water. So 36 divided by 3/5 would be equal to 60. So then we know that Barbara has 60 ounces of water. Then we have Amanda. So we have 60, and that's 3/4 of Amanda's water. So divided by and then that gives us 80. So Amanda has 80 ounces of water. And the question is asking for how much ounces does Amanda still have? The answer is 80 ounces. Now to those of my friends who have studied algebra, we can also apply algebra to this problem. First, we can set Amanda's original amount of water as A. Now we're going to multiply the fractions because we see the word of quite a lot. So there's first 3/4, and that is Barbara's amount of water, and then 3/5 of that was Charlie's. And 1/2 of Charlie's was David's, which equals 18 in the end. So, yeah, we're trying to solve for A right here. So in the end, all we have to do is solve for A. And then we could just multiply A by 1/4 because that's what she still has. And yeah, that's what we can do. So 1/4 times A. That's what we're trying to find in the end. So first, how can we start doing this problem? So let's first get all the numbers on the other side. So I'm first going to multiply these. This equals the top we multiply is 9. The bottom we multiply is 40. Over here is 18. So A would equal 18 divided by 9/40, which is equal to 18 times its reciprocal, basically flipped around, 40/9. And then we can simplify this. So A is equal, so A has 80 ounces of water. And oops, over here, sorry, that was supposed to be 20 ounces. Remember, it's how much she still has. Anyway, over here, 80. So then 20, right? That would be 20. 1/4 of 80. Why no 1/4? Because she gave away 3/4 of her water to another person. So then what we would have over here would just be 20. So 20 OZ. 20 OZ is the answer.